Hello YouTube! I thought to show you this trick. I forgot to bring a match with me and I want to start fire to cook. So what I usually do, I get a rag, I tie it to a stick like this, and then I take some diesel fuel. Don't use gas or don't use any high flammable liquid because you could cause explosion and it will hurt you. And only do it immediately before you start your fire, especially in the summer, because it will build vapor and it will catch the fire from distance and it will cause flash fire and it will hurt you. So take some diesel fuel. I siphon this out of my dump truck. And I'll show you the next step. I'll take the diesel away from the fire. And that's how a welder starts fire in the wilderness. Thank you for watching. Be safe and I'll see you later.